Hello Chroma Kids, welcome to our channel Chroma Kids Creation. Today we are going to draw Johnny Bravo. Do you know who is Johnny Bravo? Johnny Bravo is a funny cartoon that kids and children love. The show is about Johnny, a big strong man with blonde hair who thinks he is very handsome. He always wears sunglasses and a black t-shirt. Johnny likes to show off his muscles and try to impress everyone, but often ends up in a silly situation. Even though he can be a bit clumsy, Johnny is very confident and never gives up. Kids enjoy watching Johnny Bravo because it's full of humor and funny adventures. The cartoon teaches kids to be themselves and having a fun even when things does not go as a plan. With the bright color and silly characters, Johnny Bravo is entertaining and fun for everyone. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for the more videos.